Hi students, how are you? Hope you are good, safe at home. Let's start our first lesson, reaping gold from soil. Our lesson is already started. This lesson is related to agriculture. Do you like plants? Do you have a guava tree in your house? Today we will discuss the new methods for the improvement of crops, that is vegetative propagation.
You will identify this picture. Which one is this? One of the modern methods in vegetative propagation is layering. Do you know the layering? Layering is a method of growing roots on a branch of parent plant and removing the part after the growth of roots and transplanting the newly developed plant. Methods of layering. Select a branch of the plant from which sapling is to be produced. The branch must be pencil thick. The branches from the main stem are better. Peel off 1 centimeter of bark from the stem in a circular shape. Cover the peeled off part with a slightly moistened mixture of coconut fiber, soil, and sawdust. Cover it with a polythene sheet. Tie both ends with jute twine. Wet it with enough water to retain moisture. Numerous roots will sprout within 2 months. Cut the branch and plant it in a pot till it is ready to be transplanted in the soil. Take care to plant the sapling in a suitable place. This type of layering is known as air layering. Layering is effective in plants like jasmine, rose, hibiscus, cashew, and sapota. I show you some other types of layering. Can you identify this picture? Yes, this is serpentine layering. Serpentine layering was for long, flexible branches. Push a portion of the stem underground and pin it. Weave the stem above the soil, then back down again. This method gives you two plants instead of just one. Grapes and pepper are examples of serpentine layering. What about this one? Yes, this is mound layering. Mound layering is used for heavy stemmed shrubs and trees. Clip the main stem down to the ground and cover it. The buds at the end of the stem will form into a number of rooted branches. Apple is an example of mound layering. Now, this one, yes, this is tip layering. Tip layering works by pushing the very tip or point of a stem underground and holding it in place with a pin. Examples are blackberries and raspberries. Children, do you know what are the features of layering? Now we discuss features of layering. Have the qualities of the parent plant. Do not possess taproot system. Require more care. Smaller in size. If the parent plant is diseased, new plants will also be infected. Faster flowering and fruiting. More sapling can be produced.
Students, hope you all understand. Take your notebook and write the main points in your notebook. Ask your doubts to your teacher. Okay? Let's see in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.